students, now we are going to studying about 9th standard computer science chapter 2 topic multi-touch gestures. In previous videos you are studying about what is max OSX line, what is text tab, what is menu bar, but now we are studying about multi-touch gesture. Lion allows you to use many different multi-touch gesture with your mouse or trackpad. These include pinches, tap, double tap and swipes. Lion allows different multi-touch gesture in your mouse, touchpad or trackpad, anyone. What are the examples of gesture? Pinches, tap, double tap and swipes. Next we are discuss about the examples of gestures. Okay, first example, pinches to zoom. Trackpad only. Pinches to zoom use only trackpad. Here you see the pictures. This is the trackpad using two fingers, thumbnail and another one is forefinger. So this is the pinch options. Okay, this is one of the examples of multi-touch gesture. What is the use of pinch to zoom? Zoom in or zoom out. Move then apart, zoom in and the screen is zoom in or zoom out. Okay. Another example, smart zoom. Tap the trackpad twice or double tap with two fingers. If you are using magic mouse, double tap the mouse with one finger. In magic mouse, you are using only one finger and double tap. Okay, but touchpad using two finger. Here you see this is a two finger using. This is the smart zoom. Another example, swipe to navigate. Swipe. Instead of using your web browser back and forward button, you can swipe to the left or right with two finger. Using in a mouse having only one finger and touchpad having two fingers. So this is the swipe to navigate. Another one, view launchpad. How to view launchpad? Place your thumb and three finger on the trackpad and move them together to open launchpad. Let us see here. This is the thumb finger and place another three finger. So and swipe these fingers, open the launchpad. Okay. Next example, natural scrolling. There are two types of scrolling. One is traditional scrolling, another one is natural scrolling. What is mean by traditional scrolling? What is mean by natural scrolling? First one, traditional scrolling. When you are viewing a web page, you can scroll down by using downward. You are viewing a web page, downward you are scrolling. The content on the page moves up. You can downward scroll. The content on the page moves up. Okay, this is the traditional scrolling. But natural scrolling, you will use an upward swipe. You want scroll upward. Here the arrow, see, you can scroll upward, pushing the content up. So this is the natural scrolling. What is the difference between traditional and natural scrolling? The scrolling move downward, the content on the page moves up. Next, you are scrolling in upward, pushing the content up. Okay. Next, change the scrolling type. How to change the scrolling type? First step, click the Apple icon, then select system preferences. In every app having right side, left side corner having one icon, that is Apple icon. Click the Apple icon, then select system preferences. Second step, select the mouse icon to go to your mouse setting. Select the mouse icon, go to mouse settings. Here see, this is the mouse icon. Next, to scroll direction, uncheck the checkbox to use traditional scrolling or check it to use natural scrolling. Next, you select traditional scrolling or natural. Here you see you are selecting natural scrolling. Okay. Next one. So these points are how to change the scrolling type. Okay, very important. Next, what is Finder window? What is Finder window? To start navigating, you will first need to open a Finder window. There are two main ways to do this. How to open Finder window? There are two main ways. First way, double click any folder on the desktop. In a desktop, you double click any one folder. The Finder window is open. Okay, another way, click the Finder icon on the dock. DOC, dock. Click the Finder window on the dock. The Finder window is divided into three main parts. First one sidebar, another one toolbar, another one content folder. So the Finder window divided into how many parts? Three parts: sidebar, toolbar, and content folder. Next topic, home folder. What is the use of home folder? In the Finder sidebar, you will see the shortcut to folder that have names like document, download, music, and picture. These folder are part of your account home folder. So see here the Finder window, you see your sidebar having, this is the home folder. Home folder having all of the document, download, music, picture, etc. Okay, how to open your home folder? Steps. First one, make sure you are in Finder. Second point, in the menu bar, click go and select go. Okay, so the Finder window and home folder is very important. Study very well.